What's up, YouTube? All right, today, guys, we're gonna be going to the track today. We're gonna be doing some 2-3-4 action with the boys at Oldsmar BMX, and really what we're doing is we're just prepping for Tulsa. It's a very demanding track on the body, long efforts, long rhythms. Overall, just keeping progressing throughout the season and try to get some cardio in for Tulsa. And we got 2 days of elite men and then natty champs on that Sunday. So really put my best foot forward and trying to get better for that race, and we're just gonna keep at it. So we'll see you guys there. About halfway done with the session. We got the boys out here. I'm not gonna act like I'm doing great. I just let a little bit out over there. We're about halfway through. Get the GoPros behind the boys. Put you guys in the first person view. We'll see how it goes. How we feeling, Andre? New bike today for him. See if we can get Cam over there. How we feeling?
Amazing.
Amazing. It's hard to catch my breath, but some good stuff. I'm enjoying the process out here, and Tulsa's gonna be a burner, so we're getting ready for it. Why are you getting crazy? How are we feeling, Jacko?
Oh, mate,
Unreal.
unreal. Good day for it. Nice to be back on the horse and it's working.
Bunch of good blokes out here, right?
Bunch of good blokes.
Bunch of good boys. Get our coffee though before we start. Right, sis? All right, cool. Cheers. See you guys at the track.